God! Ah! Nak! Oh no! How you gonna clean that? You see, you scrape.
This isn't straight.
Oh, what is that? Hair?
And this.
Don't use the sharp to ano na, only the brush. Oh my God. Nak, sit down. Oh my God. Uy, gihangat ko. Nak! Look at this.
Can you turn on the car?
Why?
Are you able to?
No, I cannot open the door.
Actually?
No, I cannot open the door. Can you go on the other side? That's so deep. Oh my God.
I could have brought you a scarf.
Yeah. Right? Ay! Oh no. No one's gonna get out here.
Turn on the heater.
How to open the door?
Wait here.
No knock, no knock. Wow. This is okay, my boy. This is so amazing though. My car. Ow.
Oh. Open it like this.
No knock. No. It's not at all. This. Wow.
What's the point of this then?
Huh?
What's the point of this?
When it's frozen.
It is frozen. Here.
Just take out the snow.